Hello and welcome to this video. Today I would like ask Highlite a few questions about current developments. Hello Ron, hello Dennis. Ron,
Hi.
at the
Hi.
moment it's very quiet around the gym. We have not received any new updates and would like to working on.
Yeah, very sorry about the lack of software updates, of course, for the current chimp. That's because Dennis and me and our teams are very busy to work on something new. We are like a couple of months now developing something new.
What do you mean by working on something new? What can we expect?
uh, of course, you can expect something new for software, but most importantly, we are working on new hardware as well.
Will we see a new console or a new family?
It will be a new family. It's a new generation. So it's a third generation chimp. And the family, for now, we are working on two different consoles.
What is the price range for this new family?
Um, we have a lot of feedback for new hardware, a lot of requests for like a foldable screen, motorized faders, etc., etc. Therefore, unfortunately, it will be a bit more expensive than the current uh, chimp, but definite prices we don't have at this moment.
Okay. Dennis, does this mean the support of the current consoles will be end and will be no longer sold?
So we will most likely not do big feature updates or major feature updates in the future because we're just reaching the limit of what the current hardware and base is basically capable of. However, we still want to go on supplying bug fixes and focus on stability, and we will also keep supporting fixture libraries um, for a while. So
Okay. Ron, what we can expect at the ProLight on Sound?
At the Polar and Sound, on our booth, you cannot expect anything. We have a very special demonstration room where we showcase the current development, the software we are working on at this moment, but also some small hardware things we will showcase there. So you can call it like a sneak preview room. That's what you can expect.
Okay. Dennis, what are the big new features in the software?
this is what everybody wants to know, I guess. So we had a lot of feature requests in the past for example, to be able to create your own window or screen layouts. So we implemented basically a window manager that lets you define your own views with many new windows available to choose from as well. Um, Besides that, we also always had the request, for example, to be able to name special channels in the fixture library. So this can be done. We do color calibration as well with the CLE color picker and all these kinds of things. Um, and then another thing I can say is, because I know a lot of users in the past have been asking about it, is the queue list limit, which is gone in the new chimp. There's no limit. Well, no real limit on queue lists anymore unless you're really busy. And I think 10,000 queue lists should be fine.
Okay. Can you talk about universes?
Aye, aye, aye.
Yeah, well, we can talk about universes a bit. We already settled on the fact that we would like to have more than 10 universes supported by the system, but we still don't have a fixed number yet because we're still performance testing and figuring out the limits there. And obviously, we want to have enough reserves in the future to extend on the
Okay.
software.
But
Okay.
let me tell you this, Manuel, it will definitely be more than 10.
Ah, really good, really good. Yeah, thank you for coming here and answering a few questions. I'm looking forward
Okay.
to getting more information about the product and sound.
Yeah, I hope we can provide more information shortly. As we say before, we are working on it very hard. And if you are in Proland Sound, come and visit us, and we will visit the room, and you will see it there.
Okay. Thank you for coming here.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you too. You're welcome.